In this video, I'm going to show you one way you can create melted crayon art. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Diette, and welcome to Turtle Creativity, where we make crafting and crocheting easy. Today, I'm really excited to share with you a melted crayon art project. So for today's project, you will need crayons, of course. You will need a heating tool. If you do not have a heat tool, you can always use your hair blow dryer. You will need a canvas. I'm going to be painting my canvas a different color. So for my canvas color, I'll be using black. So you will need acrylic black, a paintbrush. You will also need a container, a bowl, a container that you will put hot water in. Because when you are taking the paper off of your crayons, it's so much easier if you get a bowl full of hot water and put your crayons in, wait a little bit, and the paper will then come off of the crayons. I'm telling you, it will make peeling the paper off of your crayons easy peasy. The last thing that you would need for this project is some Podge Spray to seal in all of your beautiful melted crayon project together. And it will give it a nice, shiny, glossy finish. Let's get crafting now. So step one, what you would need to do is take your bowl and fill it with warm water. Place your crayons in the bowl and let the water do its thing as it lifts and loosens the crayon paper. While that is happening, pick out your color that you want for your canvas background and paint your canvas. Now, if you want to have your canvas to be plain white, that's okay too. So as you can see, for my project, the background of my canvas is black. So I've already went ahead and done that ahead of time. Now, let me show you how to have fun with the melted crayon art. Okay, rolling up my sleeves just a tad. I'm going to grab one crayon and I'm going to turn on my heat tool. I'm going to have my crayon be above my canvas, and then I'm going to put the heat directly onto the crayon and let the crayon melt. And when it melts, it's going to do drops of crayon onto your canvas. As the crayon is heating up, I'm going to go ahead and move the crayon around. Let me show you how that's done. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to continue creating another crayon art masterpiece and I'll meet you when I'm finished doing my creation. Now at this point, I'm going to look at my project and see if I want to add any more additional colors, which I want to add a little bit of orange. Once you have all the colors dripped onto your canvas the way that you want, give it a few minutes to dry, and then we're going to add the Mod Podge. Here is my finished melted crayon dripped dot art. I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe for more.